Or
yeah, we'll do email marketing blasts and stuff like that.
Oh, some promo like some god awful prices.
No, what the heck? For distribution, it's $30 a month. That's like pennies. $1 a day.
Yeah. I think we don't have to rely on the coder for that because he's gonna, automate the whole process.
He's gonna automate it.
But meanwhile, we can just get the information
and
on our
just
website
copy paste it.
Yeah,
we could do that too.
Manually do that, so we don't have to wait that long.
Can we launch that today?
No, he still has to. I've made the layers.
I'll look into it. Okay. Alright guys, what's going on guys? It's Ish here. Thank you for watching another video guys. These TikTokers need to be stopped. I'm tired of them. I do not want to listen to them anymore. So I'm going to go out there. The best thing about TikTok is that they have their videos dated. So we're going to go listen to some stock picks and see how they did. We're going to go watch some real estate videos and see how they did. And we're just going to overall, review some of these financial advisors on TikTok. Let's get into it.
Terry, you killed this.
Alright guys, few announcements real quick. First and foremost guys, there's going to be schedule changing for people. Content team, they're going to be coming 11 to 4 and video editing team and videography team is going to be coming 11 to 4 too. I'll let you guys know is that we're going to be doing a little bit more changing. So if I do see that you guys need to stay more, I'm going to make sure that you guys stay more. Secondly, I want to have a big announcement real quick. So there's going to be 2 new managers. Hassan's official manager, it's kind of already expected. Hassan's the manager of the video editing and videography department, okay? So I want you guys to respect him and just make sure everything's good. Another thing, operations team and sales team, I need a report tomorrow. I'm not joking about this kind of stuff. I need a really intricate report. There's going to be new tests that are going to be, taken for everyone. So I'm going to have, really cool interactive tests. I want you guys to read more books. I want you guys to get educated in terms of systems and stuff like that. So I'm going to give you guys a really cool group test that you guys can take and stuff like that. Other than that, do you guys have any questions for me?
All of my team members extended shift hours, or it depends upon me.
It's your call. What I would personally recommend is whoever needs to stay longer should stay longer. Content team, you guys are gonna be in charge of actually editing videos too now. So this is gonna be your problem. So that's a lot of work that's gonna be coming in. We're gonna be shooting a podcast now. So you need to understand that there's gonna be more tasks given to you guys. So you guys gotta be more efficient and whatever you wanna do. Whether you wanna stay longer, you stay longer, whoever wants to stay longer, you're in charge of that, okay? And also, real quick, I know there's a lot of problems with people talking to people and it's kind of hard to communicate and stuff like that. If you have a problem with anything, you let a manager know or you let me know. You don't just talk to the person directly, okay? I don't want that problem, I don't want these problems. I'm not saying it's happening. There's a lot of people now, there's a lot of hecticness, a lot of people just talking a lot of things, a lot of rush going on and stuff like that. So if you have a problem, please don't talk to the person directly, okay? Talk to your manager will talk to the other manager. Or talk to me and I'll talk to you, okay? There's no problems, there's no reason to go back and forth with people. I hate that kind of stuff and it pisses me off, okay, honestly. Other than that, guys, I think we're pretty much good. We're gonna be doing the distribution, we're gonna be doing a bunch of really cool things this month. Let's kick it off and let's finish it off right. And yeah, hopefully everything's good. We're gonna be doing systems as well, so we're gonna be optimizing every system. I optimize the videography system A to Z. So I'm gonna be doing this slowly into every department. And yeah, guys, let's get into it. The intern didn't come today?
That was already expected on my end. I didn't tell you about that. But yeah, so he told me as he was leaving that, what about the packages and stuff like that, salary packages. I told him that Ish is going to inform you on that, and he said, okay bro, so I'll give you a text, just add me in the internship group. So I told him about that. Okay. As soon as he left, he didn't text me, and yeah, so I expected that he wouldn't come back.
Was he interested or not?
Not really. He was 30 years old. So 30 years old, have a lot of responsibility. This is just like a part-time job. He was looking for something like a full-time. Yeah.
Kill the connection. We don't need that guy. All right, guys, let's get back to work. Let's get it. Come on. Okay, guys, a lot of you guys requested this, but I'm gonna finally listen to TikTokers. Okay, I gave up. I am done. Okay, you guys win. I am done listening to my own advice. I'm done listening to Warren Buffett's, the Jeff Bezos of the world. I am finally going full on TikTok, and I'm just going to listen to whatever they have to say. And this video is going to be a reaction of what I personally think these entrepreneurs are doing and what I personally recommend if I would follow their advice or not. So we're going to literally just go to the TikTok app and we're going to open up some advice and financial advice, and we're going to listen to some investing advice and see if these guys prove to be right over the past of time, okay? The beauty about TikTok is once you post a video, it's dated. So you can see if it's a stock pick and they told you to invest it in January, we're going to see where it's at right now and see if they're scammers or not, okay? Or if they're BS or not. So right now we're going to go check the video out. And yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, let's open up this TikTok platform and see what it has to offer. Let's check it out. So this is a TikTok video. It says 6 stocks to buy before they blow up. So, okay, let's just look at NEO, for example. NEO. So let's go to Robinhood and open up if NEO is still at $56, okay? 56, 47. You lost your money if you listen to this stock advisor, okay? You lost your freaking money. Congratulations. Maybe it was just one of them. Let's check the next stock that they're going to use. Okay, Plug Power, $60. Let's check it out. Let's go to Robinhood and see if they worked, okay? Let's just say I'm a regular investor on TikTok and I see they're telling me to invest into Plug Power. This video got a lot of views. So let me go see and invest. Let me go see what happens. I'm going to go invest my life savings into Plug Power because this TikTok told me so. Let me see what happened to Plug Power, okay? $29. It was 60. Now it's 29. Okay, this is why you don't listen to stock advisors, but maybe that stock just happened to crash a little bit and it's kind of trash and whatever happened. Okay, I'll give this guy the benefit of the doubt that 2 of the stocks out of the 3 or 4 that he picked are trash. You lose your 50% of your money if you invested into this stock. Let's look at another one just because, you know, maybe there's more to offer from this guy. Okay, CCIV, $18. Okay, this one's at $23. Okay, you know, you probably made maybe 3-4%. Not a lot of returns, but you know, you made 3-4%. At least you didn't lose money on this stock. That's kind of inevitable. Pretty much every stock is going to eventually go up. But this is hilarious that 1 or 2 stocks that actually went up. That's pretty funny. Let's keep going though. Let's keep going. Let's see what else they have to offer. Aferia. Let's go to Aferia and see what happened to Aferia. Oh my God, guys. I'm trying to look up this stock called APHA, Aferia, and it's not even a stock on freaking Robinhood anymore. For whatever reason, they probably took it off. Aferia is not even on freaking Robinhood. I don't even know. The stock probably got delisted, which basically means you lost all your value in that stock. Aferia is not a real stock. You know, look, I'm not joking. This is like Tesla. If I was to look up Tesla, Tesla will pop up, but Aferia doesn't pop up. That's freaking hilarious. Okay, so we found out what happened to this stock expert. You know, he got his freaking portfolio crushed. So yeah, okay, let's check it out another one. So he's trying to flex out the Tesla and NEO stocks. Now he's telling you to buy CCIV. Same thing. You'll probably make a couple % on it. You know, everyone's hyping up this stock, but based off the returns, you're not looking at a lot of money coming in. Perfect. Just what I wanted. A house hacking video. Let's see what this girl has to say for a little secret, right? Let's check it out.
Moving into an apartment, here's what you should do. This is called house hacking.
House
So
hacking.
what you can do is you can get an FHA loan, which is basically a loan where you only have to put down 3.5%.
Okay.
So if you're buying a house that's $100,000, you only have to put down $3,500.
Okay. But first of all, where the heck are you going to find a $100,000 house? If you find me a $100,000 house, I'll buy it right now during this video. The median house price in USA is $347,000, guys. You're telling me you could find a house for $100,000 and be okay with that? Good luck finding a house for $100,000. Maybe she's just showing an example, right? Okay, let's see what else she has to say.
Once you get the loan, you're going to want to go buy a duplex.
You're not even going to buy a house. She's telling you to go to the duplexes. That's freaking 300 times 2. Now you're looking at freaking $700,000, $600,000 in house costs, okay? And now you're a freaking 16, 17, 18-year-old, 19-year-old. Let's just say you're 20, okay? You really think the bank's going to let you go and get a house, $600,000 house, and get you a loan on that thing for freaking 3.5% down payment? Are you crazy?
Or you could do a 3-family home or a 4-family home.
Oh, yeah, definitely. 4 families is definitely the wave. Yeah, sure. Yeah, bro, $300,000 for a freaking single family unit. And now you're telling me to go times 4 that. You're looking at $1 million.
And what you'll do is you live in one unit and you rent out the other unit. And the rent that your tenant is paying should be enough to cover the mortgage. And then you'll literally be living in a house for free.
What if the renter doesn't want to rent anymore? What if he starts squatting? Do you guys even know what squatting means? They don't pay rent and they're legally allowed to live in that house. These are all things that take into consideration. What about vacancy? What if you can't find the right tenant? What if you can't find the right person? Now you have an empty house and you have to pay mortgages on both of the units. And now you're definitely screwed.
Think about it. There's literally some apartments that will charge you the same amount of money that it would be to live in a house. So why not just get your first rental property and live free?
Okay, the thing about these rental properties, I'm gonna break it down for you guys. You have to go get out there and get a loan. If you don't want to get a loan, you have to pay cash, okay? And the way the market is set up right now is that you have to probably pay over to satisfy a seller. Okay, what that basically means is the seller has freaking 50 offers coming to that guy. He's getting bombarded. Every day someone's knocking on his door saying, can I buy your house? And they're gonna probably put, you know, $100,000 over asking price. So if it's a $400,000 house, they're asking for $500,000 and they're probably gonna sell it for $550,000. That's how the housing market is right now. And I think it's a bubble. I'm not gonna buy real estate right now because that's what the situation is, okay? Let's just say you're 21 years old, okay? Let's just say you're working at a $20 an hour job, maybe a dental assistant or whatever, okay? No one in their right mind will give you a loan for $600,000, $300,000. Let's just say it's a medium family house, $300,000, okay? You have to do a 3.5% on that. So basically you're coming out of $35,000. But the people aren't giving you a house. I'm letting you guys know. There's no bank. They're gonna all laugh at you, okay? If you don't have the most insane tax returns, you don't have the best proof of income, if you're not making six figures, good luck on getting one of these, okay? I'm being honest, okay? FHA, another thing that you guys need to know about FHA, it's a low down payment. It's 3.5%, but guess what? There's rules and regulations that try to kind of stop you from doing this kind of stuff. You have to live in one of the units. If you don't live in one of the units, you're getting screwed over. There's people from the government that actually come and do routine checkups to these people with the FHA loan, and now they go and say, if you're still living there, how's everything going? And it's super, super strict. You don't understand. It's very strict. The housing market, the people that come in and, you know, inspect everything, they're going to make sure you're living in there. They're going to make sure it's actually a good environment to live in there. They're going to make sure that, you know, your tenants are doing good. Everything is doing good. If not, then you're in serious trouble. And not even to mention all of the BS that comes with real estate, okay? You have to buy and maintain and, you know, hire plumbers, electricians, drywall people. There's $100,000 just in renovations per year. So these are all things that she didn't take into consideration, and it's just hilarious to me. I know she can't stuff this in a minute video, but you know, if you're gonna make an FHA or a house hacking video, at least be more realistic, okay? $100,000, you're probably getting a quarter of the house. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. You know, this was something that I just really found interesting. Let's just say I'm a TikTok user and I found somewhere that said to invest into these NEOs and plugs, you know, these stocks. I'm down 50% on my stock portfolio. And now I went to the bank, got a $300,000 loan. And let's say I go to the bank and just so happen miraculously to go get a $300,000 loan and get approved. Now I got a house and now I don't have a tenant that's coming in because COVID's freaking messing everything up. Or, you know, just so happen they just don't want to, you know, listen to me because I'm a little kid. There's people that are going to take advantage of you. And there's going to be freaking plumbers. There's going to be electricians. Let's just say, for example, the power blew out or something like that. Or, you know, the AC is not working, you know. Or do you have a couple $1,000s to invest into a new AC unit or a central cooling unit or whatever? I don't think so, okay? Anyways, guys, this is a little bit what I think personally about these TikTok videos, and that's just hilarious. Let's get it, guys. Alright guys, we're just getting finished up in the office right now. I'm just teaching MK a couple things. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Be careful when you're listening to advice on TikTok and all these weird, stupid platforms. 9 out of 10 times people don't know what they're talking about, and the 10% they do, you know, they're just getting lucky. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's Ish. Like and comment on the video, and be careful, guys. A lot of scammers out there. Let's get it.